Hey everyone, here's a question from the other side of zero, which is based on new syllabus of class 6, and here I'm doing figure it out third question, and this question is on page number 265. The question is, there are two dice whose faces have these numbers -1, 2, -3, 4, -5, 6. The smallest possible sum upon rolling this dice is -10, which is -5 plus -5, and the largest possible sum is 12, which is 6 plus 6. Some numbers between -10 and 12 are not possible to get by adding the numbers on these two dice. Find those numbers. So they have given for numbers which are on this dice. We have here -1, 2, 3, then we have -3, then 4, then -5 and 6. So these are the 6 numbers, and when we add the highest possible sum, which is 6 here, positive number, when we add it by itself, like because there are two dice, so there is a 6 on one dice and a 6 on other die. So 6 plus 6 is 12, which is the highest number. The smallest number here is -5. So when you add -5 and -5, because if we have -5 on one die and there's -5 on other die, when we add this we get -10, and that's a minimum. And when we add all the other numbers here, we get different combination, and they have given that there are few numbers which are not there between -10 and 12. We have to find out all those numbers which are not there after adding up all these numbers. This means we have to try all the combinations and check out. So let's start with -1. So I'll go in a sequence here. We'll start with -1. So if there is a -1 on one die and there's a -1 on other die, it's possible, right? Now we're finding the sum. We get -2. Now I'll go in this way. I'll take -1. I'll try all the combinations here. So this way you'll not miss out anything. Next I'll take -1. I'll take the second number, which is 2. -1 plus 2 is 1. Next -1 plus the next number is -3, which is -4. Then -1 plus 4 is 3. Then we have -1 plus -5, which is -6. And the last combination with -1 is 6 here. So -1 plus 6 is 5. So I'm done with one combination. I've tried all the combination we can have with -1. Next I'll take 2. Now 2 and -1, it's already done. You can see that -1 plus 2 is 1, which is same as 2 plus -1. So when you add these numbers, you get the 1. Here we're trying to find the sum here, so you don't have to try other combination because the sum will remain same. Therefore, I will start with 2 and 2. So if there is a 2 on one die and there's a 2 on the other die, when you add it, you get 4. Now I'll try 2 and the other combination. So 2 plus -3 is -1. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 2 plus -5 is -3. Then 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So we got these numbers. Next, I think no number is missed out here. Next we'll try with -3. Now -3 and -1, it is already done. -1 plus -3 is -4. Also 2 and -3, this combination is also done. Therefore we will not take these two numbers. We'll start with -3 and -3. So let me write here down. So -3 plus -3 is equals to -6. Next we have -3 plus 4 is equals to 1. Then -3 plus 5 is equals to -8. Then -3 plus 6 is equals to 3. So this is also done. Next we have 4. Like again, 4 with these numbers are already done because -1 and 4 we have written here. 2 and 4 we have written here. -3 and 4 we have written here. So these combinations are already done. We don't have to write it down. We'll start with 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Then we have 4 plus -5, which is -1. Then we have 4 plus 6, which is equals to 10. Then next we have the next minus 5. We'll try the combination with minus 5 now. So minus 5, other combinations are done, so we'll try minus 5 plus minus 5. So this is the least possible, the smallest possible sum, which is minus 10. Then we have minus 5 plus 6, which is equals to 1. The last number we have is 6, and all these combinations are already tried. So we'll start with 6 plus 6, which is the largest possible sum possible here, which is 12. So we have found all the different combinations here which we can get it. Now let's write all the sum we obtained here in ascending order so that we'll not miss out any number. So smallest number we have here is minus 10. It's given in the question. So let me write here minus 10. After, I'll just circle it just to ensure that this number is taken. We have written already. The next number after minus 10, we are going in ascending order, is minus 8. Here we have minus 8. So let's put minus 8. Then we have, after minus 8, we have minus 7, but it's not here. So next number we'll take is minus 6. We have minus 6 here, we have minus 6 here. So we'll write only once. And then next we have is minus 5, but I don't see minus 5 here. The next we have minus 4. So minus 4, and which is here. So let me write minus 4 here. Then we have minus 3, but we don't, here we have minus 3. Then we have minus 2. We have here minus 2. We don't have minus 1. We don't have 0. And then we have 1. And we don't have 2. We have minus 1 here, so let me rewrite this. I'm sorry, we have minus 1 here. Then we don't have a 0, and then we have 1. Then we don't have a 2, and the next number I see is 3. We also have a 4. We also have 5. So let me write 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4, 5. Then we have a 6. We don't have a 7. Then I can see 8 here and 8 here. So we get 8. And then we have 12. That's it. So number 1 we have already written. This one also we have written. We don't have to write it again. 10 we have. So I'll write 10 here. So let me erase this, and after 8 we have 10, and then we have 12. So these are the numbers we obtained. Now we have to find out the numbers which are not there. So let's go in sequence and check. We have minus 10. After minus 10 we get minus 9. We don't have minus 9. We have minus 8. We don't have minus 7. We have minus 6. We don't have minus 5. We have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. We don't have 0. We have 1. We don't have 2. Then we have 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have 7. We have 8. We don't have 9. We have 10. We don't have 11. And then we have 12. So these are the numbers which we don't have. So the question is, find all the possible numbers that we don't get by adding these numbers, right? So these are the numbers here. So I hope this question is clear, how to find different combination and figure it out which numbers are not present. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.